Hi, this is Greg McCoach, editor of the Mining Speculator. I'm here today, November 4th, in Vancouver, Canada, at the Metals Investor Forum. Today, I'm interviewing President and CEO Colin Moore from Westward Gold. Colin,
Great
welcome
to
to
see you, Greg.
the interview. Welcome to the show. We've
Yeah,
had a good show today. It's not the best of markets, but onward we go.
yeah,
We just fight through it. I think our rally in precious metals is probably going to come first quarter, so we just kind of hang out until things start rocking and rolling again for us.
that sounds good.
Yeah. So anyway, I want the viewers to know that I did a site visit and recommended Colin in my newsletter, The Mining Speculator, earlier in the year. And the reason for that is that I've been doing the newsletter since the year 2000. And early in my career as a newsletter writer, I cut my teeth out on the Cortez trend.
Yeah,
I was lucky enough to have Placer Dome take me under their wing and at their expense, taught me about exploration, development, and production because of the pipeline mine. They had all three going at the same time. For a guy that wanted to learn geologically more than I knew, I was very fortunate to have that happen. And I knew a lot about the Cortez trend. So when I first heard about you, I heard about it through somebody else. And when I looked it up and I realized where you had gotten property, which was amazing to me because for a junior to get that kind of land package on the Cortez trend is almost unheard of.
yeah, and you would have recognized pipeline because we drove right
Right,
past it,
right,
right?
right.
So putting that land package together, it wasn't done overnight. It was a series of different transactions, but yeah, you're talking 40 square kilometers
That's amazing.
for a 6 million market cap company, right on trend. We go up to the ridge and you can see pipeline, you can see Cortez Hills.
Yeah.
So we're in elephant country, right? And
Oh, this is amazing that a junior has an opportunity. So I was interested right away. And then when I talked to the guys, saw how sharp the team was and how much they understood Nevada and what it takes to be successful there. I was on board easy at that point. So, we're still early stage.
yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
That's not a problem. But you got good share structure, you got the right team. And now we have some initial drill results that give us enough data that gets people interested, right?
Yeah.
We have some smoke now that indicates we're in the right type of rocks, in the right kind of system, on the right kind of trend.
Yeah,
That's three biggies all lining up, right?
absolutely.
So again, it's early stage. And what these drill results tell us is that, my goodness, this warrants further drilling. We have to find out, does this, go to the northeast? And very exciting. And I know in Nevada, you really can't get the drills going too early because of the mud season there. But,
Yeah.
Let's say late May, early June,
We want to get back as soon as we can, obviously, right?
And again, it depends on the moisture.
Yeah, it depends on the moisture. We have a lot of work coming out of this program. One thing we noticed that we didn't really know before is this halo effect we're getting from silver. So usually all of the hits that we're seeing in gold were above and below those gold zones. There's this halo effect with silver.
Oh.
So now that we know that that's a valuable pathfinder, we got to go back and model all the silver across all the old holes because that's something that we didn't identify off the bat. But as you mentioned, so many different learnings from this project, from this drill program here. Most importantly, having stepped away 250 meters and hitting a 50-meter zone of mineralization,
Yeah,
0.34.
that was significant. That got the attention of the majors. I mean, as soon as I saw that, I thought, oh, the majors are going to pay attention to that.
Yeah. Well, it says we were stepping out. We have the historical resource there, but as you know, that's not really the big prize for us. Like, we were fairly aggressive stepping away from that. So to kind of prove up one of those theories being this kind of wider disseminated zone at depth, that's going to be huge for us because now we have a whole bunch of other targets. When targets hit, they generally generate more targets.
Right.
So,
and it takes money, of course. So we'll have to raise money.
It's a capital intensive business.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of work that we can do, in the slower time of the year, right? In the winter months to be really prepared for.
Well, I was just on the site visit. I was just so impressed with Dave and Steve. What's Steve's last name?
Kaler.
Yeah. It was like I was talking to the Placer Dome guys when I was first in the newsletter business, and like I said, I cut my teeth. I really learned a lot from those guys, and I was so grateful to them that they did that for me, because it really helped launch my career as a newsletter writer. and we had immediate success with exploration drilling out there. So
Yeah.
anyway, I was just impressed with their team because they're so knowledgeable. They understand Nevada. They
Mhm.
understand what we're looking for, and I feel confident in the team that if there's any gold mineralization on this trend, that we're going to find it.
Yeah. Well, and as you mentioned, the Placer Dome guys. So Steve was on the discovery team at
Yeah.
Cortez Hills, which is 10 kilometers away from ours. So if he's excited about what he's seeing on the ground and he believes in the potential for this turning into another Carlin type deposit in the area, when he gets excited, that makes me excited.
Oh, yeah,
because he knows what he's talking about.
No, he does. I can tell he's one of the guys that's in the know about this stuff. So very impressive. And so the team is great. And, we just, at this point, I think we just need to tip our hats and just say, congratulations on these results that warrant another drill program.
Mm-hmm.
It's early stage still, but this has gotten a whole nother level of excitement. That
Absolutely.
This is on the success here almost means an immediate buyout, in my view.
Yeah,
Because
for making noise in their neighborhood.
Right, the majors are surrounded. They're desperate to replenish reserves. So
Yeah.
if any junior comes up with ounces right in their backyard, they have to buy out.
That's the dream here.
Yeah.
Make it big enough for them to get interested.
Getting interested, yeah.
And a lot of people these days, they want to be in a safe jurisdiction. There's nothing safer
Nevada is
than
good as
Nevada,
it
right?
gets.
The way the
Good as it
geopolitical
gets.
situation in the world
Absolutely.
is.
No, it's true. So yeah, I'm excited, and at your current share price, I think there's very little downside risk with an upcoming drill program in Nevada, in elephant country on this trend. 8 cents, it's a great speculation with limited downside, and if it turns out well, it's got great upsides.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We're priced right now at the same levels as what we did our private seed round 3
Right.
years ago. So you're getting 3 years of an immense amount of work
At the same
basically
price.
for free.
For free, yeah, no, you get that.
So
And this is what's good about bad markets. This is the contrarian play. You have to teach yourself to buy when the news is bad, right? Well, the news is bad. It's terrible. But the smart money, the smart investors in this sector step up to the plate here and buy the values because, again, the downside's limited and the upside's huge. So,
yeah.
well, with that, Colin, I think we'll just wish you well this winter, getting more data together so you line your drills up the way you want.
Yeah.
Boy, it's going to be exciting to watch. Hopefully,
We're excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got what? It says only November.
It'll be here before you know it, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, thanks so much, Greg.
Yeah, appreciate it.